Hello everyone, today we will make aloo gobi ki sabzi. So for that I have taken a kadai, and in that I have added 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil. I will just wait for oil to get hot. After that I will just add 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, and I will just allow it to crackle. After that I will just add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and with that 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Okay, now I will saute this ginger and garlic paste for 1 to 2 minutes. See, our ginger and garlic paste is almost sorted. Okay, after that I will just add 2 to 3 green chilies which I cutted. Just for a 2 second I will just sauteed that also. And now I will just add onion here. I have taken here 1 medium size onion. Okay, and now I will saute the onion till it get transparent. Okay, at this point you can add little bit of salt so that it can get sorted very fast, but I am not adding salt now. Okay, with after sorting, after this onion become transparent, I will just add aloo, potato which I cutted it in small pieces, and I will just give sort it well for 1 to 2 minutes in that onion. See, our potato is almost sorted. After this I will just add the gobi, full gobi, okay, or cauliflower. I will just add it in the potato, and I will just give a mix to this potato, onion and this cauliflower. Once it is mixed, I will just add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric into it, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, red chili powder, and 1/4 half teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. Chicken masala is optional. If you want you can add, otherwise you can leave it. I have added here 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala also. I will just mix all this masalas into this gobi and aloo. Once it is mixed, I will just add a chopped onion. I have taken here 1 medium sized onion and I have chopped it, and now I will add this into the aloo and gobi, and I will just mix it. See, our aloo gobi is almost, I have just mixed the tomato almost, and I will just cover the lid and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. In between that, just open and just mix well in between so that it won't get burnt. After mixing it, I will just cover the lid again, and I will cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. We have to cook till this cauliflower and potato gets cooked very well. At this point I will just add the salt also as per the taste. Okay, I have added the salt on last, because if I will add it in the first, it will this all water, whatever it is in the gobi, it will come out. So I have, once it is gobi is cooked, I have added the salt into it. Now our aloo gobi is almost ready. Now I will just open the lid, and I will cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes like this. You can check in this point. Our aloo gobi is ready. Please do like, subscribe.